Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Nichols and Tops the Monkey, and we are back with story number 12, lesson number 1. And if you notice in my previous lesson, which I'm sure you have, you keep seeing this something keep poking out over here. It's just a strap underneath the hat that's supposed to hold my hat on that goes around my neck. But unfortunately it broke, and so I've been sticking it underneath my hat thinking, well, maybe eventually I'll have a chance to repair it, but that hasn't happened yet. So sorry about that. It looked like something else, but it really is the cord for the hat. All right, so this is story number 12, lesson number 1, and you know what we're going to do. We're going to build words. Now, boys and girls, we have been focusing our attention on the O. We already know the A and we already know the I. Let's just go back and review over these sounds, okay? The sound for the O is ah, as in ostrich. The sound for the A is as in apple. And the I, as in iguana. A lizard, iguana. And I'm not sure exactly if that's what we used when we were introducing it, but these are the common ones that are usually used to remind you of the sounds, so that you can picture it in your mind. I see the A, I imagine an apple. I see an I imagine an iguana. I see an O, I imagine an octopus. Okay, helps you with the sounds. Okay, so let's go over the rest of these sounds. We got an uppercase D, D, and a lowercase d. We have a G, G, an H, a T, T, an L, N, N, P, P, uppercase R, R, F, S, S, uppercase H, and then this matches over here with a lowercase h. We also have an M and an X. We talked about the X in the last lesson. X does not make a sound by itself. It makes a K and an S sound. X, X. All right, so let's go ahead and let's introduce these words. Well, we got to build the words. Sorry about that. Introduce them. How can you introduce them if you haven't built them yet, right, Tops? Get back here, Tops. We're not done. We just got started. Yeah, boys and girls are listening. They're watching. Guys set a good example here. That's right. Yeah. All right, so let's go ahead and start. We are going to take the uppercase D. We're going to add an O and a G. An O and G makes og. We have dog, and dog's going to be the name. Going to be a name. All right, so we have dog, and we have a lowercase d. Dog. Uppercase D, capital D, dog, dog. So this word's going to be this name, and the word's going to be used twice. We'll find out how. How is it going to be used twice? All right, and then we go ahead and have an O and a T, and we get ought. We add an H in front of it, and we get hot. Hot. Take away the H, replace it with an L, and now you've got lot. Lot. Replace the L with an N, and now you've got not. Not. Replace the N with a P, and now you have pot. All right, we're going to take an O with an N. We have on. We're going to add an uppercase or a capital R for a name that we're creating, and the name is Ron. Ron. All right, we're going to go back to on. But instead of having the vowel O, we're going to replace it with an A, and we're going to have an. We're going to add an F to it, and we get the name, well, not the name, the word fan. We add an S to fan, and we get fans. Fans. All right, we're going to start with an I and a T, and we get it. We're going to add an S to it, and we get sit. We're going to take sit and add an S at the end. So instead of having sit, we now have sits. Sits. We're going to use the A again, add a P at the end of it, and we get app. We're going to add a T in front of it, and we get tap. Add an S at the end of tap, and we get taps. We're still going to use the A, and we're really running out of space here, so I'm going to have to put it underneath. We're going to go back to the A. We're going to add an L. We get owl. Add a capital H. We're coming up with another name. Howl. Howl. And we have one more word. And we have to remember that the X makes the sound of X, X, K with an S. And we get the word mix. Mix. So we have a lot of words to go over, boys and girls. All right, but that's the way it is. As you learn more and more with your reading, you're building more and more words, and your vocabulary just keeps on increasing. And that's wonderful. All right, so here we go. Let's go ahead and go over these. We have dog, dog, hot, lot, mix, not, pot, Ron, sit, sits, fan, fans, tap, taps, and howl. And you know that in lesson number 2, we will go back over these words, go into our high frequency words before we start our story. Isn't that right? Okay. So we will see you for story number 12, lesson number 2. All right. Bye-bye. Tops and I say bye.